guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix if text-to-speech option is not showing for you. And I have to mention that I didn't have this option too a few days ago and I get it right now. So I will show you what I did. First of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok app is fully updated. Then let's go ahead and click on it. Here I am on my profile. And the second thing to do is go right here on those three dots in the right corner to settings and then go to app language. This has to be on English. So after that, if you still don't have your text-to-speech option, you have to go to report a problem and then scroll down and click on videos and sounds. After that, you have to click on other and then again on other. And here you have to click on no and then click on need more help. So before that, you could also make a screenshot and show the TikTok team that you don't have this option and that you are saying the truth. And you can attach that screenshot right here. So let's type, hello TikTok team, I don't have the text-to-speech option. Please solve this problem for me. Thank you. So after that, you have to click on report and then they will solve your problem in less than 2 days. So that's it, guys. This is what I did and I hope it will work for you. If it did, you can smash that like button and you can also comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.